For centuries, people have gazed upon Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa, captivated by her enigmatic smile. But have you ever noticed something peculiar about her face? The Mona Lisa has no eyebrows. This seemingly insignificant detail has puzzled art historians and enthusiasts alike. Why would da Vinci, a master of realism, omit such a defining facial feature? The answer to this mystery remained elusive until the early 21st century. In 2007, Pascal Cotte, a French engineer and inventor, used a high-resolution multispectral camera to examine the Mona Lisa. This camera allowed him to see layers of paint invisible to the naked eye. What he discovered shocked the art world. Cotte found faint traces of brushstrokes indicating that the Mona Lisa once had eyebrows and eyelashes. Leonardo da Vinci was a pioneer of a technique called sfumato. Sfumato involves applying thin, translucent layers of paint to create a hazy, dreamlike effect. This technique is evident in the Mona Lisa's soft features and the subtle blending of light and shadow. It seems da Vinci used sfumato to paint the Mona Lisa's eyebrows, but applied the pigments sparingly, perhaps aiming for a look that was fashionable at the time. Over the centuries, these delicate brushstrokes faded and in some areas disappeared entirely. Exposure to light, changes in humidity, and even well-intentioned but ultimately damaging cleaning attempts have taken their toll on the painting. The Mona Lisa's missing eyebrows serve as a reminder of the ephemeral nature of even the most enduring masterpieces and the constant battle against time to preserve our cultural heritage. It compels us to ponder what other secrets lie hidden beneath the layers of time, waiting to be uncovered by the inquisitive minds and technologies of the future.